Hi everyone. Sorry, it's Tammy. Woo! My nose is itching. I feel like I'm gonna sneeze. But I had a friend who requested that I show how I knit in the round, how I hold the needles. So I'm going to do that so that you guys can see. I have my project bag. This is by the Bay Yarn Company, and it's a really cute project bag. I love it. And I have my Sky yarn in here from Drops. And it is super soft and super fun to work with. So I'm going to change the angle, and I'm going to show you guys close up, I hope, on how I hold the needles so that you guys can maybe do the same. Okay, so I am working on a hat here, and I am doing color work. So I will show you how I hold the needle. So this is a 16-inch cord, and I have my 5-inch needles on it. I believe that's right. And then because I'm doing color work, I am going to hold one in each hand. So I thought that this would be a good example to show you how I do it. So I put one in this hand, I hold it like that, and then I hold the other one just the opposite. So here's how they look. Just like this. And so then if I need to go on this side, I just do this. And then when I get to the pink one, I do that. White, pink, pink, white, white, pink. Hopefully this is showing you guys. I can go till I get to the marker because then I don't know the pattern, but right now it's the same as the row before it, so I got this one down. So hopefully you guys are seeing how I'm doing this. I'm trying to slow it down a little bit so you can see a little better. And Audrey, I know you were the one that was asking, so if I didn't answer your question or if this isn't showing you what you need, let me know what you need exactly and I will try again. I'll just kind of move it up as I go along, and sometimes I will push it down with my other side. I'm almost to the end of the row. So let me show you how it looks like this. I'm holding it like this. I'm just crossing them over and doing my thing. So I'm at the end of the row, so I'm just doing one more stitch so I won't drop them off the needles. And that's that. So I really like having them on a cable, especially with a hat, so you don't have to have the seam up the back. And you can see some of my color work gets a little looser than other times, but yeah, it's great. I love it. So I hope that helped, and if you have any more questions, please let me know. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.